Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So today we will be checking for Sag, Sun, Moon, Rising, and let's look at your December. So we will be looking at your theme, challenge, blessing, and a message from your spirit guides. So let's begin. Let's see what do we have for Sag. Theme, challenge, blessing, and message or guidance. Okay, so all right, a bit weird kind of energy, I would say. Okay, so with the theme we have optimism, so I'm going to clarify the cards as well. In challenge we got fear, and in blessing we got deception. Okay, probably some blessing in disguise, but let's see. I don't know why, but I do have a feeling that there has been someone who has been trying to manipulate your person. Probably someone has been talking against you with your person, someone has been talking behind your back with your person, and somehow you do know who this person could be, or you might have been feeling a bit unjust when it comes to this person, or the relationship you share with this person. But I think everything, all this deception and all this energy is going to come out. Either you are going to understand this, or your person is going to understand what is exactly happening. Okay, let's clarify the first card, which is optimism. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Okay, there's some devil energy that you will be dealing with in the month of December. All right, one thing is for sure. See, what happens is when we are trying to explore something, okay, when we are trying to discover something, let's say that you enter a relationship, okay, and you want to give it a chance, but either there will be fears, and if there's no fear, then you have this thing that, oh, isi ke sath hona chahiye jo hona chahiye. But that is the wrong attitude. Here universe is saying that you have to go with optimism. Okay, and when I say optimism here means that there should be no fear. Okay, and there should be no lack of confidence within you. Okay, you are giving a chance to someone. Look at the situation in this way. So when you give a chance to a situation, or to a person, or to a friend, what you do is you give them a chance to just be themselves. Okay, you become the observer in the situation, you do not become the participator in the situation, and this is what you are being asked to do. You are being asked to gain a lot of information. Okay, even let's say that you're going to sign some papers, some legal work. Let's say there's some relationship, for some it can be marriage proposal as well. So here you are being asked to gain as much information as you can, and that can only happen once you let the other person just be. Okay, once you give them the freedom to just be. Okay, and here you have to like literally open yourself to this information, because this person will start hiding stuff from you. They will start hiding their intentions and everything if you do not let them just behave the way they want to. Because I do feel that if you want, you have this thing that if I feel optimistic about something, that means something is going to happen. Okay, but that is not the case. This is not what maturity is, right? Because there is a lot of information coming your way, and it can be related to stability. You will see a lot of things. I also feel that you might feel some pressure of finances, pressure of some kind of stability. I don't know why, but it just feels as if someone is giving you some kind of डंडा. Okay, कोई एक ऐसे person है जो आपके ऊपर किसी तरीके से pressure create कर सकते हैं. Now it can be through finances, probably giving you gifts and this and that, and somehow I also feel that this person knows what you want. This person knows what your weaknesses are. Okay, and this person is literally going to hit on your weak points. This person is going to this person knows you well. Okay, just know that whomsoever you are dealing with. Okay, they know your pros, they know your cons, they know your strengths, they know your weaknesses, everything. And because we got devil as well, so I don't know, but I do feel that money is going to play an important role either in your life or in this person's life. So be very careful, do not be greedy, do not go after money or anything of that sort. Even if you are cracking some deal, it may look that it's very fancy and everything, but it can harm you in the long run. So that is there. And secondly, for some, I also feel those who are already married, you might go after some temptation or some attraction. Okay, again, a big no, because you are inviting a karmic situation here. You are being asked to be optimistic without giving yourself to any kind of temptation or possible temptation. Okay, let's see what do we have in challenge. So here we have fear. I don't know why, guys, but I do sense that you have this you have this sense of wanting to win. Okay, now what is it? Probably, I don't know why, but I also feel that you want to win among your friends. Okay, there's a certain wish of yours that you want it to happen, but this wish is not coming from your heart, it is coming from your ego. Let's say that your friends are doing something really great in life, so you may feel that this should happen with me as well, or I should be the first person to do this, I should be the first person to do that. That kind of energy is there, which I do not feel is a good one, because here your intentions are not right, and that is going to be the biggest challenge. Here the challenge is that if you really wish for something in life, make sure that it is coming from your heart and not from your ego based perceptions. Okay, जैसे बहुत लोगों का मैंने ये भी देखा है, कुछ लोगों का ऐसा होता है that they don't want to get married with boys. It's like they don't want to get married, they want to get married in last, like boys, I'm not talking about men. And with the girls, again, I'm not talking about a woman, I'm talking about girls. They want to get married first among all their friends, because of some ego thing, I don't know what it is. So there is some ego clash. Okay, and this ego is clashing with your wishes. It is this ego is clashing with your fear, this ego is clashing with some amazing people that you have in your life. So all this fear is about what, whether my ego is going to be fed or not. This is the fear. Okay, and I don't think it will. Okay, let's see. And even if it will, it's not going to last. So let's see, let's check the deception card here as a blessing. See, even if you get confused about something, okay, because I do feel that you might get a bit confused. For some of you, you will have a choice. Okay, you will have a choice between for some it can be arranged marriage versus love marriage. For some it can be relationships versus your work. So there will be some kind of confusion. You will be asked to make a choice, to make a decision in the month of December. Okay, and this illusion is being created so that universe can save you, or universe can protect you from a deceiving event. Okay, so you may feel that अभी तक तो ऐसा चल रहा था लाइफ में, but now all of a sudden something else is happening. What is this happening? Why am I feeling so confused? Why am I so clueless? So that clueless wala energy, or that illusion wala energy, is being created by universe so that so that you stay confused. Okay, and stay confused in the sense, see, I'll tell you something. So let's say, for example, if I talk about Rahu. Okay, so what does Rahu will do is, Rahu is going to create an illusion for you, and you might feel that something is wrong, but that illusion for you at that point of time is very important. Sometimes it's important to stay in illusion as well, because probably either we are not ready to see the truth, or we are not evolved enough to make a decision or make a truthful decision. Okay, so universe is going to put you in some kind of illusion wala energy, into some kind of confusion wala energy, because when you will act confused, that is when you will get to see the true colors of someone else. Okay, so just take it like that. So it's a very twisted kind of a reading, it's a very twisted kind of energy, but trust me, I think this deception energy, this confusion energy is going to give you a lot of benefits by the end of December. Okay, let's see the card of miracles. What are your spirit guides wanting you to know? Okay, see, one, I think universe wants to give you one confirmation, and that is that you will get everything that you deserve. Some of you are looking for emotional fulfillment in the long run, some of you are looking for financial one as well in the long run. Whatever you want in your life, be it luxury, be it status, be it emotional fulfillment, whatever it may be, you will get it. Okay, and you will get it at the right time. Okay, you will get this blessing very spontaneously. Okay, it's going to happen all of a sudden. Okay, it is going to be a transforming event for you. Something transforming is about to happen in the month of December, but before that you are being asked to, you know, focus more on yourself, more on your independent energy. Please do not put yourself completely into one zone. Okay, be it your career, be it money, be it relationship, be it your friends, anything. Here you have to see how you can make yourself happy, and only then the transformation is going to come. I don't know why, but I have a feeling that universe is testing your intention. Okay, universe is going to test your intention a lot in the month of December. So make sure that you know what your intentions are and you are honest with your intentions, because I do feel that you know, your intention is something else, and what you tell your mind and your heart is a completely different story. So make sure that your thoughts and intentions and actions are aligning with each other. Otherwise it, you know, yeah, otherwise another lesson, nothing else. So I think that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.